Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to check how many number of cores is in your CPU, okay? So let's get started. First is you need to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon and do a right click and go for Task Manager. So the moment you open your Task Manager, go for Performance. Let me just expand this first. And below here, you can check how many cores do you have in your CPU. So as you can see in my case, I have two, and each number of cores is equivalent to two. So I actually have four cores, okay? And you can actually set up the number of performance or cores in your computer. Just do a right click and press Windows and R key together to open Run and then type MSCONFIG and then click on OK. And then it will open a new, let me just close this. It will open a new window here which contains system configuration. Here you need to select boot and then go for advanced options. Here you can manually input the number of processes that you want in your CPU. Well, I'm not recommending you to input any of those. In my case, I have only one and two since I have only two number of cores. But if you have eight, then you can select that. But I'm not recommending you. But for the time being, if you check that it's work, then good. Then you just leave it blank here, zero, and then click on OK. And then the number of cores will just, I mean, set up in your CPU, okay? So those are the steps on how to check the number of cores in your CPU in your Windows. If you think this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.